Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by choosing a clear niche and 3 content pillars so you can stay focused. Once decided, create or use a Google account and open YouTube Studio. Verify your channel and set channel type, brand versus personal, so permissions match goals. Next, design a banner at 2560 by 1440 pixels and write an About section that explains value. Make sure your channel name and visuals communicate what viewers should expect, because that alignment speeds growth. Once your channel exists, plan 5 initial video ideas and outline scripts so you can batch produce efficiently. Make 1 thumbnail concept per video to test visuals. Record with consistent lighting and clear audio using 16:9 framing and steady shots, because presentation keeps viewers. While editing, place a strong hook in the first 15 seconds, add captions, and tighten pacing. Aim for video lengths that suit your niche, shorter for quick tips, longer for deep tutorials, and export at high bitrate. You launch by uploading with a keyword-rich title and a detailed description that includes 1 clear call to action. Add 2 to 3 targeted tags and a custom thumbnail that stands out. Schedule a consistent release cadence and monitor analytics closely during the first 14 days to learn watch time and retention. If views lag, test alternate thumbnails, tweak keywords, and reshare videos into relevant playlists. This quick iteration tells you what resonates and fixes discoverability problems before you scale.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.